Welcome back, GAT test takers. In this video, we're going to do test 9 with Ritaj. Now the floor is yours.
Chair sitting, I choose B, pen and
Yeah.
writing.
Good job, pen and writing. We write with a pen like we sit on a chair. That's wonderful. Next.
Head and heart, I chose C, pen and cap.
Yeah, so head and hat. Okay, pen and writing. This is number 1. Pen and writing. And this is head and heart, like pen and cap. That's the upper top or the upper part of the pen. Money and pocket, we use our pockets to keep money, like
I chose D, taste and tongue.
perfect. We use our tongue to taste, and please follow the same order. This is what we keep actually. This is the purpose, keeping money, tasting food, and this is what we use. We use our pocket. The same order the pair that you're going to choose should follow the same order. Good. Illness and viruses.
I chose B, allergy and
Perfect.
pollen.
Allergy and pollen. You know that pollen is one of the most common triggers of seasonal allergies. Some people usually have seasonal allergies, like in spring, for example. So pollen is one of the most common triggers of allergy. Sigh and relief.
I chose B.
A sigh is a sign of relief. Like what? Please, B.
Yeah.
Brain a sign of idea or a sign of an idea?
Oh, my bad, I chose D.
So D, yeah, tremble and fear. Good, you're right. Yeah. So here we sigh when we feel relieved. Okay, when we feel relieved, we sigh. Like we tremble when when we have some fears. Okay, section number 2, sentence completion. Since I ate such a large.
Number 6, I choose B.
B, lunch. I'll probably skip dinner. That's wonderful. Faisal does not sleep well at night, so he's always, during the day,
Tired, C.
tired. Okay, perfect. 8, Mr. Faiz he came to live in the United States from different country, from a
C,
different
an immigrant.
immigrant. Good job. Immigrant. I won the first place at the chess tournament. I,
Defeat and
yeah, opponents. Yeah. Kelly works in she helps build cars.
factory.
Yeah, factory. That's wonderful, Ritaj. Good, perfect. Now let's move to the contextual errors. Which one here does not fit the context? The restaurant did not forbid Sarah to bring her dog in with her. He had to wait outside in the car.
11, I chose D. Wait.
Yeah, sorry, again. So you chose D. Let's read it. Wait. So the restaurant did not forbid Sarah to bring her dog in with her. He had to wait outside in the car. So you said that the restaurant did not forbid. It means that the restaurant allowed Sarah to bring her dog in with her. Why did he have to wait outside in the car? So the problem not forbid,
It's
not wait. The problem is here, forbid. Because did not forbid means allowed. But here, the right answer, it means did not allow, did not permit.
So it's forbid.
Yeah, so it's forbid. Okay, so this one here does not make sense. So forbid here, because did not forbid means allowed. So if the restaurant allowed, so why did he have to wait? I cannot change more than word, just one word. Good. Well, next. Some newspapers are so objective that they only view one side's opinion and don't even look at others.
I chose B, objective.
Yeah, objective here. It should be replaced with the word subjective. Okay? subjective and objective. Our points of views can be subjective and objective. For example, subjective, if I ask you about teacher Ahmed Adly, you would say that he's horrible. I don't like him. He's so silly, by the way. He sounds goofy. But you're talking about here personality. I'm talking about teacher. I said, what do you think about teacher Ahmed? You say that, for example, his techniques of teaching are not very good. For example, I don't understand that the language that he used in the class. This is objective point of view. Objective. You're based on objects, but here subjective. You're based on the subject. So here I gotta use objective and replace it with subjective because here I'm talking about the personalities. The speaker who said one thing but did something else entirely was regarded as irrighteous.
13, I choose D.
Yeah,
Righteous.
yeah, he chose one thing and said something else. No, this is hypocrite. Okay, 14. When something very bad happens, it's a blessing.
C. Blessing.
No, it's not a blessing at all. Okay. The boy who won all of the science trophies was pretty stupid.
D.
Yeah,
Stupid.
not stupid, by the way. He must be intelligent. Okay, now let's jump straight to define the different one here. As I mentioned before, this question lately, or this type of question hasn't come up in the latest exams, but you need to practice it. Find the different one here.
16, I choose C.
Perfect. Chicken, this is not a wild animal. This is a farm animal, but tiger, monkey, bear. Okay. Find a different one. 17.
I choose A.
Number. Yeah, number. This is a number, but this one here, this is a comma, dot, slash. They're punctuation marks. Number 18.
18, I choose C.
Yeah. Why C? A rucksack. This is a little bigger bag. A briefcase, a bigger one. A luggage, it's a bigger one too. Rucksack, like backpack. A briefcase, like the lawyer's briefcase. So in terms of size, purse is the smallest one here. So we would go for this one here. But a briefcase, it's a medium-sized bag that's used for saving and keeping paper. This is a briefcase. But a rucksack looks like the one that you go to school with. A luggage, that the one you take when you travel abroad. So here, purse, in terms of size, this is the smallest one. Okay. Next.
19, I choose D.
Yeah, 19 here. You choose, yeah, tray. This is a tool, but the others are food. Next.
20, I choose D.
Yeah, sofa here. Good. That's wonderful. Now let's jump straight to the reading comprehension. In the context of the passage, which of the following best articulates how the author regards the topic?
I choose B.
Yeah, perfect. Fewer emissions into the atmosphere. They are better for the environment. Yes, we need fewer emissions. 22. Regenerative. Regenerative most closely means,
A. Restorative.
yeah, that's wonderful. Why do HEVs use two types of propulsions?
B. To use gasoline efficiently.
To use, yeah, gasoline efficiently. Okay. 24, the difference between hybrid and conventional vehicle is that?
D.
D. Hybrids use two types of propulsions, while conventionals rely on one. Two kinds of propelling forces used by hybrid vehicles are?
I choose C.
Yeah, I think that Toyota Camry 2025 is hybrid. And this word is usually written on the back of the car, hybrid. It's got, the engine can work with electricity and gasoline at the same time. Good job. You got 23 out of 25. No problem. And that's it for test 9. Do you have any questions?
No, thank you.
Good job. Okay.